Hello and welcome. I've got in front of me a CaraCompact 600 MF edition Pepper from Weinsberg. I'm going to try and show you this vehicle to you. Now, first of all though, I'm going to have to show you the price. And there it is, 73,500 euros. To give you some technical stuff here, 675 long. It's claiming a weight ready to go of nearly 2,900, so it gets 600 kilos of payload. And even assuming that is incorrect on a 3.5 ton basis, even if it's out by say 5%, you've still got a reasonable amount of payload inside, particularly as this is a 2-person motorhome. Now, the company has been in trouble for, or is in trouble I should say, for giving false payloads. So, but even if it is incorrect, there's plenty there to play around with. Right, so let's come in here. I'll come to the back, show you side bed. And the side bed, you get a side bathroom usually. There's a toilet, there's a huge shower there. No, it's got 2 drainage points, got an anti-slip surface below. Here we've got the sink's outside, and here we've got a thing you can actually sit on. I think it's meant to be a bed extension, but I'm not going to try it. I might fall. Well, I'll sit on the bed. I'm too frightened to sit on it. As you can see, I've just been in one van and I got myself locked in, and anyway, you can see that video. But I think this is quite handy actually, having the sink here like that. I like a fixed sink personally, and putting it in this position isn't such a bad idea. Under it is the bit of storage. One of the things having it here, of course, you've got this seat, so to speak. Trying not to put any weight on it. Right, now storage all the way around with a daft ledge, which is completely pointless. You've got lights at the end there, you've got a nice big window there, and there's a big window here, and we've got a curtain that goes around here. So if you want a bit of privacy in here, we can find that we have got lots of storage there for shirts and things, and in here we've got a wardrobe. So that's quite good. Could do, I think, with a light, or it's got a light. Light doesn't work. All right, can't have everything, I suppose. And I'll close that. And here we've got. Also, I'll start with the fridge, shall I? There's the fridge. I know it seems sort of really close. I've got the thing out here as far out as it'll go, the camera angle. Drawers below, sink. We've got here 3 burners. We've got up here more storage. We've got out here semi-dinette with a really nice big sized table. We've got an unfortunate step there for you to trip over as you come in and out your vehicle. You've got a television which will extend, of course, so you don't have to sort of see only half of the screen when you're watching it. Very nice indirect lighting here, and more storage there, and that's where you sit to watch the television. This chair will of course turn round, and good extension here. Let's come out. So we'll have and one of the problems with the side bed, of course, is you don't get much of a garage, but you can, under the side bed, you can lift the side bed up, so it gives you access to this bit here. So it's quite honest, there's quite a lot of space in here. So I'm not going to complain at that at all. It's heated inside here, or you could also look at that as being heating under the bed as well. I want to see lots of people outside. Are they coming in here? Take you around to the other side. There is the window for the shower or toilet. Unfortunately, it's one of these ones which is easily breakable. You need some extra security device to stop that happening, in my opinion. There's the thing for the toilet cassette. Here we've got the easy access gas cylinders. This comes out like, can I see? I can't pull it out with one hand. Sorry, you lift this thing up here and it slides out. I'm holding it, the camera, but anyway, you get the idea, I hope. And down here we've got this very clever service box here, if I can open it. And the clever service box comes with a easy way of cleaning your water tank out, so I'll do that here right now just to make the point. This comes off. Inside there somewhere, yeah, it's difficult to show because they've got the camera on a gimbal, but inside you've got probes, so you can clean the probes, which they may be giving false indications of water level. So it might say it's full when it's not, or it might say it's empty when it's full. It gives the probes a quick clean, doesn't take very long, and that ought to sort that problem out. So I'll put this thing here back on, and also note you've got a water filling. Oops, you've got a water filling cap there. So I'll tighten it up. And this is very clever. You fill this, thread this through, goes on there, stops somebody pinching your lead, and you can dump your black water from here, and you can dump your clean water. Why would you dump your clean water? Because when it's winter, you don't want any water left in the system. What I do, I dump the water, and then I go for a quick drive when I go up and down, and that ought to get rid of the water which is in there. Oh, we've got all the people coming in now to see me doing this video. And right, so I have I think I filmed the entire Weinsberg range. In fact, I think I've filmed just about everything, to be quite honest. But I need to point out, as far as this company's concerned, Knaus Tabbert, I do not recommend it. It's got major financial problems, which could, in theory, lead to bankruptcy. I don't think it will go bankrupt, but I mean the share price has absolutely collapsed by 4.5 times from what it was. And the company itself claims that it's been a victim of the people it employed. Having said that, I've had videos up going back 5 years, and I've had a lot of nasty comments, people writing on saying that I've got something personal against them. I have been trying to warn the company, including writing to one of those, putting it down. Of course, unfortunately, as it turns out, he's no longer with the company, and he's one who's been he was asked to leave, put it that way. So I was obviously writing to the wrong person, but there's plenty of stuff on videos, so the company should have known, and it now claims it could put out a press release saying that it was a victim of its employees. Absolute nonsense. It's the corporate policy, and if I knew, how could I know? And they didn't. Ha ha. So anyway, that's my opinion. So don't buy this company until, I'm not suggesting if something changes, they improve the quality, they improve the corporate ethos, then I'll go back to good normal. But you can't find vehicles from Trigano, from Heimer Group, and many others which are far better and far less expensive, and without the corporate problems that this group has, and with the surety that when you have a guarantee, that guarantee will be met, and not because the company has ceased to trade. Thanks for watching.